Baku finally. Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board this Azerbaijan Airlines flight to Baku, tonight operated by Hassan Airlines. You'll find your allocated seat by following the numbers above the seat. In preparation for takeoff, ensure that your hand luggage is placed under the seat in front of you or in the overhead lockers. If you're seated next to the emergency exit, put all your hand luggage into the overhead lockers only. Please leave the aisle free from obstructions.
Here we go. We're going to Baku, Azerbaijan. Yeah, come on, let's go.